guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm DEMIYA. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, and y'all, I can never say that word, subscribe. Anyways, if you want to see how I did my hair, just keep on watching. Let's get into it. For this small section, I'm going to use, that's about a dime size amount. I know y'all can't see that. You just cancel every other man here. You say you like my back and the color of my nails. You can see that I got it going on. I want to make sure you remember me. Don't want to leave my number on your video phone. Then I'm going to use the wrap mousse. If it's gonna be you and me, when I caught it, better see me on your video screen. And I'm gonna go in with this protecting spray. I'm just gonna take the paddle brush and hold it under my hair. Then just take my blow dryer and follow along. Your own hit song. We can shoot the video right here on my cell. I never seen it smell so pretty. I need to know I always have it with me. So take a picture on my video phone. You can pick your own song, and you could be the only one. I know you like that. Turn you into a star, I got it like that. Yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Cause when I miss your call, I hit you right back. And people keep on talking. They like the way I'm walking. You're saying that you want me, so put some code and let you feel me. Like a cameo, me on your video. I can handle you, watch me on your video. On your video. You want me, you can watch me on your video. You know them G's, they be howling, especially them hot ones. Brooklyn, Atlanta, Houston to New Orleans. When they see me, they be like, yo, B, let me call you. You breaking my focus while you cute and you ballin'. You like it when I shake it. So, I'm just gonna add some more Biosilk. Not a lot, just a dime size amount, and some more keep protecting. You're saying that you want me, press record, baby, feel me. I really need to trim. You can watch me on your video phone. I'm gonna start with going in small sections. Starting with my kitchen buckshots, bead beads, whatever y'all wanna call it. And this part is very important. You wanna have a hard brush. Talking. They like the way I'm walking. You're saying that you want me, so put the code and let you feel me. Video, like a cameo, me on your video. I can handle you, watch me on your video. On your video. You want me, you can watch me on your video. I like how you approach me, retro white with your pants hanging, grooming low. Everything you saying something good to me. No need to convince me anymore. Swag up is bright, one blade is tight, and I smell your cologne in the air. Baby, you're doing something right. You just canceled every other man here. You say you like my back and the color of my nails. You can see that I got it going on. I want to make sure you remember me. Don't want to leave my number on your video phone. I've got no time for fronting. I know just what I'm wanting. If it's gonna be you and me, when I call it, better see me on your video screen. Them bitches keep on talking. They like the way I'm walking. You're saying that you want me, so put the code and let you feel me. Video, like a cameo, me on your video. I can handle you, watch me on your video. On your video. You want me, you can watch me on your video. You were cute, you You should let me put you in my movie. Seduce you into a star of your own hit song. We can shoot the video right here on my cell phone. I never seen a smell so pretty. I need to know I always have it with me. So take a picture on my video phone. You can pick your own song, and you could be the only one. I know you like that. Turn you into a star, I got it like that. Baby, don't fight it.
After you're done flat ironing that section, you want to part your hair vertically along that part and flat iron your hair vertically.
Them G's, they be hollering, especially them hot ones. Brooklyn, Atlanta, Houston to New Orleans. When they see me, they be like, yo, B, let me call you. You breaking my focus, boy, you cute and you ballin'. You like it when I shake it. Shout it on a mission, what your name is? What? You want me naked? If you like in this position, you can tape it on your video phone. So keep on talking. You like the way it's popping. You're saying that you want me. Press record, baby, feel me. Give me your video. I can handle you. Watch me on your video. On your video. If you want me, you can watch me on your video phone. Talking, they like the way I'm walking. You're saying that you want me, so press the cord and let you feel me. Video, give me on your video. I can handle you. Watch me on your video. On your video. You want me, you can watch me on your video. I like how you approach me. Retro white, put your pants hanging, booming low. Everything you saying something good to me. No need to convince me anymore. Swag up is bright, one blade is tight, and I smell your cologne in the air. Baby, you're doing something right. You just cancel every other man here. You say you like my back and the color of my house. You can see that I got it going on. I wanna make sure you remember me. Don't wanna leave my number on your video phone. I've got no time for fronting. I know just what I'm wanting. If it's gonna be you and me, when I call it, better see me on your video screen. Them bitches keep on talking. They like the way I'm walking. You're saying that you want me, so press the cord and let you feel me. Video, give me on your video. I can handle you. Watch me on your video. On your video. You want me, you can watch me on your video. You are cute. You should let me put you in my movie. Seduce you into a star of your own hit song. We can shoot the video right here on my cell phone. I never seen a smell so pretty. I need to know I always have it with me. So take a picture on my video phone. You can pick your own song, and you could be the only one. I know you like that. Turn you into a star, I got it like that. Baby, don't fight it. Cause when I miss your call, I get you right back. Them bitches keep on talking. They like the way I'm walking. You're saying that you want me, so press the cord and let you feel me. Give me on your video. I can handle you. Watch me on your video. On your video. You want me, you can watch me on your video. You know them G's, they be hollering, especially them hot ones. Brooklyn, Atlanta, Houston to New Orleans. When they see me, they be like, yo, B, let me call you. You breaking my focus, boy, you cute and you ballin'. You like it when I shake it. Shout it on a mission, what your name is? What? You want me naked? If you like in this position, you can tape it on your video phone. So keep on talking. You like the way it's popping. You're saying that you want me. Press record, baby, feel me. Give me your video. I can handle you. Watch me on your video. On your video. If you want me, you can watch me on your video phone. Watch it all fall out. Fall out. Fall out. Fall out. Watch it all fall out. Fall out. Fall out. Fall out. Fall out. Do it up, do it up. Fall out. Fall out. Do it up, do it up. Fall out. Fall out. Do it up, do it up. Fall out.
Okay, I'm done cutting my hair. I'm scared that if I do any more, I'm gonna mess it up. When you flat iron your hair, it's important that you sit in some good air conditioning because you're gonna be flat ironing your hair and it's just poofing back up at the same rate.
Wanna make the world go round. Dance make your girl go down.
Take this once again. It's my last time using it. I promise. When you start wrapping your hair, once you start turning, your middle part starts lifting up. So to fix that, I just take a pin and put it down into your hair instead of up. Once I get my scarf on like this, I like to wrap the scarf around just to smooth everything down. And then to avoid bobby pin marks in your hair, like the dents that it make, I just take out the pins. I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final result after my hair sets a little bit.
I like how you approach me. Fresh white with your pants hanging, grooming low. Everything you saying something good to me. No need to convince me anymore. Swag up is bright, one blade is tight, and I smell your cologne in the air. Baby, you're doing something right. You just canceled every other man here. You say you like my back and the color of my house. You can see that I got it going on. I wanna make sure you remember me. fronting. I know just what I'm wanting. If it's gonna be you and me, when I call, they better see me on your video screen. Them boys keep on talking. They like the way I'm walking. You're saying that you want me, so put the cord and let you feel me. Video, get me up, be on your video. I can handle you, watch me on your video. On your video, you want me, you can watch me on your video. You are cute, you should let me put you in my movie. Seduce you into a star of your own hit song. We can shoot the video right here on my cell phone. I never seen it smell so pretty. I need to know I always have it with me. So take a picture on my video phone. You can pick your own song, and you could be the only one. I know you like that. Turn you into a star, I got it like that. Yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Cause when I miss your call, I get you right back. And boys keep on talking. They like the way I'm walking. You're saying that you want me, so put the cord and let you feel me. Get me up, be on your video. I can handle you, watch me on your video. On your video, you want me, you can watch me on your video. You know them G's, they be hollering, especially them hot ones. Brooklyn, Atlanta, Houston to New Orleans. When they see me, they be like, yo, B, let me call you. You breaking my focus while you cute and you ballin'. You like it when I shake it. Shouty on a mission, what your name is? What? You want me naked? If you like in this position, you can tape it on your video phone. So keep on talking. You like the way it's popping. You're saying that you want me. Press record, baby, feel me. Get me up, get me on your video. I can handle you, watch me on your video. On your video, you want me, you can watch me on your video phone.
Okay, so my follower Joy wanted to know how I retain length. Make sure you trim your ends. Like, it's very important to trim your ends. I would say do it every other month and not like trimming off an inch unless you want to, but just like trimming off half an inch. Your hair moisturized with leave-in conditioners, curl cream, and oils that'll help your hair to grow. Also giving your hair a break from weaves and braids. Like, those are protective styles, but if you constantly have those in, they're stressing your follicles. And if you wear buns all the time like me, your hair is gonna like thin off, buns and ponytails. And it is bad for your ends. Drinking lots of water helps to grow your hair because what you put into your body is what you're gonna get out. Whenever I'm not drinking enough water, I can tell like my skin is, of course, terrible. It's so dry. My hair gets dry and brittle and it just causes it to break off. You can also take biotin hair, skin, and nail pills, or any hair, skin, and nail pills. Like, I was making sure I took those pills every day. Not pills, but I did the gummies by Nature's Bound, I think. The biggest key for me for growing my hair is the low manipulation. I really don't do nothing to my hair. Like I said, I keep it in buns. Also wearing your hair out, like doing braid outs and stuff, is really good, of course. Doing twist outs, braid outs, just like letting your scalp breathe. Low manipulation and keeping your hair moisturized and drinking lots of water. But yeah, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. And like this video, comment, subscribe, drop some video ideas down below. What else? Share it with somebody, and drop some tips down below on how you retain your length, because other people may need to know, and I might have not given every single tip there is. So thank you guys for watching again.